Of late, in the past few years, you shared that your life has been neurospicy.
If you get diagnosed as an adult with autism, you will have to go down the list of your likes and dislikes. When I found out, girl, it wasn't unheard of that being touched makes me uncomfortable, being kissed makes me uncomfortable, that I don't understand sexuality the way everybody else does, as soon as everybody else does. There were so many things that I learned that if somebody would have told me when I was like 12, I went to the neurologist. She said, your brain is fried, you have to stop. So she spells out all these tendencies. Socially awkward. No boyfriend ever knows that because they see me on stage. So they decide that because I can stand on a stage, that I'm very comfortable in social situations. So I go and tell this gentleman that I'm dating that I am autistic. His response was, I have a nephew who's autistic and he doesn't act like you. And I was just like, damn. I really didn't want you to say that.